boat game just for fun.
Let's do it.
Oh my god, where do you want to go?
Let's play throwbacks. Let's play our throwback game.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
We need the
This could
steering
be
wheel
the
and the
steering
book
wheel.
and the lighthouse book.
This could be the steering
Okay.
wheel.
And we need the lighthouse book.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Play that-
Someone would always go at the front, but Willow's in the
Okay,
way.
I'll go in the front.
Okay, you need to have a steering wheel. Here, this
And
can,
you need a lighting.
that would be the book.
Okay, this would be the book.
Okay, so then you would be the driver, and then I'd be like, Caitlin, where do you want to go?
And then you have to be the storms and everything and like bad weather and you
We have
sleep
to sleep.
time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we've hit a storm. Okay, it's nighttime. It's time for sleep.
Oh, it's time for bed.
Wake up! Wake up!
Alright, where are we going?
Let's
Caitlin
find
says that
somewhere.
we're literally just sitting in the ocean right now.
We're just going in circles. Oh, quick turn right!
Where's that
Grandma?
say? No.
Oh,
please.
it says Europe.
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 How about we go to Sweden? Let's go to Sweden.
We should go to Sweden.
And how many nights does that take?
16.
No, we have to sleep 16 times. It takes 4 nights, so ready?
Okay.
Night 1, sleep.
Night one.
Wake up! Wake up, Caitlin, wake up.
Big storm!
Okay, wait, sleep.
It's like, what is
Sleep.
happening?
Night 2.
Wake up!
Okay, we have 2 more nights, guys.
We're almost there.
Wait, what are we gonna see when we get there? We always see an animal.
There's a whale over there.
Did
When
someone
we
used to
get
fall off
there.
the boat?
A penguin.
Caitlin! Caitlin's off the boat! We have to help her! How do we get her? Help her! Help her! Guys, we're such morons. We are literally such weirdos.
Alright, and night 4.
Oh.
Wake up! Wait, we have 1 more night, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, keep going. Willow's on our boat. We have a
dog.
seal on our
A
boat.
seal.
Sleep.
Wake up!
Alright, we're here. What are we gonna see?
Penguins.
Alright, let's go. Let's go see some penguins. Then we get off the boat. Back to the boat! This was a game I made up to keep them occupied when they were little. Okay. Are we done? Willow, I don't know what is happening. I don't know. I don't know what's happening.